Bro, how I got 0.5% subscribed like y'all really out here. Watching every video like it's a daily routine laughing. Commenting disappearing. Like ghosts and still not hitting. That button, it's free, bro. It takes less time than skipping an ad like how you gonna call yourself. Part of the noodle gang, but not even in the pot yet, y'all. Just sniffing the steam from the sidelines. I drop rants, I put energy in every word, and y'all still vanish when it's time to sub that 0.5% looking. Like my phone battery when I forget the charger. Like, bro, I'm out here cooking content, and y'all still acting like taste testers.